In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chat flow in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to start a new chat flow, and what to customize so your chat feels on brand and helpful. First, open HubSpot and use the search bar at the top left. Type the word chat flows, then select chat flows from the results. This takes you to the workspace where all your chat conversations and automations live. From here, look to the top right and click Create Chat Flow. This is your starting point for building a new chat experience. Next, choose the channel that fits your goals. You can build a website chatbot, a mobile chatbot, or a Facebook Messenger chatbot. Each option includes its own guided setup and options, so just follow the prompts you see on screen for the type you select. The key is to pick the channel where your audience is most likely to engage, and let the wizard walk you through the specifics. If you chose a website chatbot, you'll be able to customize the look and feel of the chat widget. This includes the style and color, so it matches your brand. Keep accessibility in mind by choosing colors with good contrast so your text stays readable. You can also set the availability of the chat flow, which controls when visitors see it. Align this with your support hours or peak traffic times to ensure expectations are clear. From there, craft the chat headings and welcome messages. Keep your headline short and inviting, and write a friendly, action-oriented welcome that explains what the chat can help with. Plain language works best. If you want visitors to share details, let them know why you're asking so they feel comfortable continuing the conversation. As you make changes, use the preview to see exactly what your visitors will experience. Click through and scan on both desktop and mobile to make sure the layout and text feel natural and easy to read. Finally, for website chat flows, you'll receive an embed code. This is what activates the widget on your site. You'll use that code to embed the chat flow on your website, typically by placing it within your site's template or through your content management settings. After embedding, revisit the preview to make sure it's loading where you expect, and test a short conversation to confirm the tone and flow feel right. That's all. You found chat flows, created a new one, selected the right channel, customized the style, set availability, refined your messages, previewed the experience, and grabbed the embed code so you can launch with confidence.